Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how I use my tool here, my face roller tool, Jade one, for the facial area and reducing those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead. We're going to do a little calming down massage exercise with this tool, then a little bit of fascia work to release any tension within the forehead area, and then finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage. Now, first things first, I do like to start off with clean skin, and I always also want to make sure that your tool here is actually nice and clean as well. Very quickly, this is a jade roller. They also come in various, as you see, various other materials. This one is a rose quartz. Now, I personally like to use something which is nice and natural rather than something which is, I know, say a metal. So nice natural material. So what we're going to do first, we're going to apply just a little bit of facial oil to the forehead area. Now, it's not necessary, but I do tend to find that if you apply something onto your face, one, you get a bit of slip and glide, and two, you're almost kind of like double bubbling in a way. So whatever you apply to your skin is going to penetrate in even better and deeper. This can be a facial oil or a favourite face cream or serum. And then just work down by the side of the temples and then the side of the neck. So what we're going to do first, we're going to use the smaller part here. And I'm just placing it between the eyebrows and just very lightly lifting up in a light motion. This will also help calm down the nervous system here. We tend to hold quite a lot of tension within our face and scrunching up between the eyebrows and the forehead, so that's when you can end up with lots of lines. So you want to really smooth everything out and calm everything down. So working vertically first, and then let's work the other way horizontally, just in one direction first of all. If you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really help with oxygen to the head and the neck area as well. And then working the other way. So once we've done that, we're now going to use the larger part here, the larger end, and I'm just working again in an upwards motion from between the eyebrows all the way up towards the hairline. And this is a fairly light touch here. We don't have much fat obviously on the forehead area, so you don't want to be too heavy-handed if you like. So nice and light up to the temples and then working our way slowly along. Now some people do actually place their rollers, their jade rollers, in the fridge first of all if they want it slightly cooler, which will also help with any, particularly if you have any inflammation on the skin. And then back again. Nice and calming. So once we've done that, let's go and do a little bit of fascia work. Now we can get lots of tight tension and pockets of tight tension of fascia within this area, and we actually want to release that. So I'm just going to take the smaller part here, and first of all, starting between the eyes, just working in lots of different directions. This is a lighter, slightly more medium touch here. And if your skin goes a little bit pinky, that's fine. As long as you're not actually grazing the skin, you just want something, so you're just going a little bit deeper. And then just working our way all the way along. Again, I like to kind of work upwards, almost in a crisscross, lots of different directions motion. And if you find a pocket where it feels slightly harder, just give it a little extra massage with the fascia work, and then move on to another area, and then perhaps go back to that again later. Now I am in my 50s and mid-50s, and I've never had Botox or fillers or anything like that, and I do find that doing facial massage and lymphatic drainage really does help as well for glowing skin, as well as those fine lines and wrinkles, in reducing and preventing. So again, lots of different directions. Quite relaxing. And then once we've done that, we're now going to again take the small part and just work our way nice and lightly, coming upwards just between the eyebrows towards the hairline. And then again with the longer part, just working our way with the jade roller from the eyebrows towards the hairline. Now, if you don't have a jade roller, I will put something in my description box if you just want to check that out. They're fairly inexpensive and they last a very long time. Right, so once we've done that, we've done a little bit of facial massage with our jade roller, we've done some fascia work. So now let's finish off with the most important, well not most important, one of the important, the three keys if you like, which is getting rid of the toxins and waste within the lymph. And so I'm placing my tool here in the middle, placing my fingers as an anchor, and I'm just very gently now gliding along from the middle of the forehead towards the temples. This will also help with glowing skin as well, as we're ridding, as I say, moving toxins and waste along. And then if you can just work on the other side as well, placing fingers as an anchor, first of all starting between the middle of the forehead, working along the eyebrow, and then just slowly working our way up. All the way to the hairline here. And then just take our tool and just work down the side of the ear here where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ear, again, plenty of lymph nodes. And then from the bottom of the ear all the way down, the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And then on the other side, just gliding down from the temples along the hairline to the side of the ear. And then also the back of the ear where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then the big SCM muscle from the ear all the way down the side of the neck, down to the collarbone. I always want to swallow at this point, as you can feel things moving along. And then from the chin all the way down, where I always like to finish, we have some indentations just above our collarbone. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved with our jade roller here into the body, ready for elimination. Now, after you've done this, obviously you then want to, as you in that frame of mind, if you like, you want to make sure that you'll rinse and wash very gently your tool here, ready for next use. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and please a thumbs up really does help with the algorithm. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.